Hello guys, today I will show you how the new Instagram function works. Instagram today just rolled out the new way to post. Here you can see it's called guide, and with this function you can share your places, products and posts. So I think the posts function will be very interesting for content creators, but let's check out all the other ways. So if you want to post places, you can choose your preferred place that you want to post or share with your community, maybe your hometown or your business location. I think that would be very interesting. If you have your business on the Google Maps, you can just choose and select some of the pictures from there and just share it with the community. Very cool. Then you can do products, which is very good for brands. Here you can choose a company which has products on its Instagram profile, because you know the products feature. And for content creators it's very cool. You can choose posts. We will do this one. So here you can select any of your posts. I will select a few of them like this, and here this is how it will look like. But you can add the, just a second, you can add titles and descriptions for all the images. So I will do this right now. Okay, so I finished all the required information, as you can see. And let's see, you can change the cover photo for your guide. You can choose any of your photos. I already set this one for, I think this will look good. Next, and this is it pretty much. You don't have to write a description because it's already written for every single post, and just share it. That's it. It appears here on your profile near the IGTV icon, and this is how it looks like. Guides, our summer memories. In this guide we will showcase some of our favorite moments from 2020 summer, visiting Italy, best hotel room. I think this is a very cool feature. You can feature your favorite posts or the product and places feature. This is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learned something useful. If you like my channel, please subscribe and check out my other Instagram tips videos. And see you soon. Goodbye. You can stop the video. It's over. It's over. Subscribe if you're still here.